In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit packing slip on Shopify. If you want your orders to ship with a professional, on-brand insert, the packing slip is a great place to start. It's the printed summary that goes inside the box, and customizing it helps set the right tone with your customer while also making fulfillment easier for your team. Begin by opening your Shopify store so you're in the admin dashboard. From there, head down to Settings. This is where Shopify keeps most of the behind-the-scenes controls that affect your checkout, shipping, and other store operations. Inside Settings, choose Shipping and Delivery. This section manages how orders get out the door, and it's where the packing slip lives. On the Shipping and Delivery page, look for the option labeled Packing Slip and click it. That opens the Packing Slip template editor. Here, you can adjust the content to match your brand voice and practical needs. Think about what your customer should see when they open their package: a clear order summary, a friendly thank you, and any helpful notes such as how to contact support or where to find return instructions. Keep the language concise and consistent with your store's style. If you're adding a short message, make it warm and helpful without crowding the page. If you notice placeholders that look like dynamic tags, leave them intact so the order details continue to auto-populate correctly. Make small edits, then review how they affect spacing. The goal is a clean layout that's easy to scan. Avoid long blocks of text that might push important details to a second page. A simple greeting, your brand tagline, or a quick reminder about care or returns can be enough to personalize the slip without overwhelming it. When you've made your adjustments, click Preview Template. The preview shows exactly how the packing slip will appear when printed, so use it to verify your changes before moving on. Check for typos, line breaks, and alignment. Confirm that the header looks good, the address and order items are clear, and any extra notes sit in a logical place that won't be cut off by your printer's margins. If something looks off, return to the editor, tweak the text, and preview again until it matches what you want. That's all there is to it. By opening your Shopify store, going to Settings, selecting Shipping and Delivery, clicking the Packing Slip option, adjusting the content, and using Preview Template to verify, you'll create a packing slip that looks polished, communicates clearly, and reinforces your brand the moment your customer opens their box.